Apple's upcoming iPhone 17e is shaping up to be one of the company's most curious moves in recent years, an affordable iPhone that looks premium but feels deliberately limited. According to leaks, the iPhone 17e won't just differ from the standard model in features, it will represent an entirely different strategy. Apple seems to be targeting a specific segment, users who want the iPhone look and ecosystem, but without the power or price tag of the flagship. Yet, this calculated restraint raises questions about how far Apple is willing to go in cutting features to maintain control over its product tiers. One of the most visible shifts will be in its design. For the first time, Apple is reportedly giving the iPhone 17e a dynamic island, something previously reserved for higher-end models. It's a significant aesthetic upgrade that will make the phone look far more modern than its predecessor. However, the compromise appears immediately after. Apple is sticking to a 60 Hz display refresh rate. In 2026, that's an outdated choice, especially when competitors in the same price range are offering smoother 90 Hz or 120 Hz panels. On the hardware side, the iPhone 17e continues to play it safe. The device is expected to feature a single 48-megapixel rear camera. While that's fine for casual users, it's a weak offering in a world where mid-range Android phones boast versatile multi-lens setups with ultra-wide and telephoto options. Gurman notes that Apple's focus here is on cost efficiency rather than camera innovation, and it shows. The absence of advanced image processing or secondary lenses limits the creative potential, making this phone feel like a compromise rather than a breakthrough. Performance-wise, the difference between the iPhone 17e and the standard iPhone 17 will be even more noticeable. According to the report, while the 17e might benefit from cosmetic improvements, its processing speed, display quality, and camera performance will remain largely unchanged from last year's iPhone 16 lineup. Essentially, Apple is dressing up old hardware in a new shell. It's a marketing decision that risks disappointing users who expect more meaningful progress with each release. However, where Apple could win is pricing. The previous iPhone 16e started at $599, but only gained traction once its price dropped to $499. Learning from that, sources suggest Apple might launch the iPhone 17e directly at $499 this time. It's a smart, aggressive move aimed at expanding its mid-range presence and attracting users from older iPhones like the SE or 11 series, as well as first-time iPhone buyers switching from Android. As for timing, Apple is expected to announce the iPhone 17e in early 2026, likely around February or March. The company reportedly plans to separate it from the main iPhone 17 lineup launch to give the model its own spotlight, emphasizing that it's not just a budget version, but a distinct product line.